Hi there, this is Gauradas, and today I am with Mr. Pranav Padole. He completed my course Job Searching Secrets and grabbed the offer in multinational company with a salary package doubled as compared to average fresher getting right now. So, welcome Pranav in this session.
Hello, sir.
Yes. So, Pranav, I would like to ask in which company you are working, at which position, and what exactly you do.
Sir, first of all, thank you for having me here. I have recently joined KC Overseas Education, which is located in IT Park, Nagpur. It is a one-stop solution for overseas education,
Okay.
uh, and I am working there as a data research associate.
Okay.
And I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to work there for quite a long period of time because the company is very good.
So, Pranav, before joining this course, which kind of problems you are facing as a job seeker?
Sir, whenever I used to think about getting a job, the first word which came to my mind was LinkedIn and Naukri.com. And I used to follow my friends on LinkedIn and on Naukri.com also there were only the consulting companies, job consultant companies. Uh, I was following or I was getting the feed of that kind only. But after joining the course, I realized that I was not on the right track, and the course helped me to like finalize my right track on what to follow, which things to follow, and what hashtags to follow. I got on the right track by joining your course.
Okay. How to build the powerful network, right?
Yes,
Strategies,
yes,
we can say, right?
yes, sir, yes, exactly.
Okay. And before joining the course, you had your resume, and after joining the course with secrets of resume writing, also you have modified your resume.
Yes, sir.
So, which kind of difference you see in the next resume which you have created after joining the course?
Joining the course, I had just created one resume, and I used to give to every HR the same resume. I didn't edit from the company's perspective. I just had put my information there, and I used to paste that resume everywhere, which was not the right thing to do, I think, as of now, because if for example, I gave the interview in a elevator company, and if I don't put things in my resume which are related to that company, why would the company recruit me?
Right, right.
But after even before that also, I had created some resume from Resume Builder and Novo Resume. There are websites where you can create a very fancy resume which is not beneficial at all. I think I had shown that resume to you also, sir. Uh,
Yes.
and such kind of resumes I don't think uh, are very helpful in getting a job. It's just that they have a very fancy look, and it attracts eyeballs only, just that. But after joining the course, I created my master resume, and I used to edit that master resume according to the company which I was applying for before I am applying.
So, Pranav, you have also learned the secrets related to how to crack interview in the
Yes,
course.
sir. Yes, sir.
So, how the course helped you to crack this interview?
Sir, after my education in mechanical engineering, I had worked in a firm for around 9 to 10 months, and then I had to quit my job because of some family issues. I was at home for around 18 to 19 months. There were some personal problems in my family, And after that, I had gained some knowledge on Creo Katia design softwares from a private firm in Nagpur only.
Okay.
And after on the verge of completion of my course, I was constantly worried that if the HR asked about my educational gap, wha- what will I answer? How will I answer?
Okay.
And will my answer be justified to the HR?
Okay.
So in the course that how to handle interview questions, uh, I got to know the tactics and the solutions on
Okay.
how to represent myself and how to remain calm and composed in a professional manner, and how to answer to the HR in a very positive way, not to reveal everything but not to hide everything.
Right, right. And I had a discussion after the course also. So you were looking very confident.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
You were looking very confident, and I was sure that you will get the job as early as possible. And it happens.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more thing will be there, that whatever you have learned from the course, which thing you think this is the best and it helped me a lot in this job searching.
Sir, actually, the thing is the course for resume writing, how to handle interview questions, LinkedIn network, all the things were very like you can say very basic things, but I was not knowing them. So I got to learn all very much new things, and the course was very beneficial to me. I liked every bit of the course, but the most favorite part of that course was that LinkedIn network, how to build your LinkedIn network. And
Okay.
after that master resume thing. And sir, one tip of that iceberg was, or you can say that cherry on the cake was, how to get the email from the respective person on LinkedIn.
Right, right. That was the secret which almost 99.99% job seekers don't know how to get the email
Even
direct.
I don't used to know such things, but this course helped me get that knowledge.
Okay, okay, completely fine, completely fine. And now the next question will be like, what suggestion or what message would you like to give to the job seekers right now who are struggling to get the job?
Uh, I would like to say them, hang in there, guys. Uh, this is not a sprint race; it is a marathon. You have to update yourself every day. You have to stay positive and stay calm on the every day, and update your resume, edit your resume according to the company's point of view. And every cloud has a silver lining. You will get your dream job if only if you step out of your comfort zone. Don't stay in your comfort zone for a very long time, because it is very hazardous for your professional life. And one last thing I want to say, that if you are, I'm saying this to the future students of Gauradas sir, you will get to know a lot of new things you didn't knew before. This course will help you a lot. Believe me, I am stressing here on a lot because it is actually a lot. It will help you a lot getting faster your dream job. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for that, Pranav. And one more thing is that you were ready to learn. Okay, you were ready to learn. You have take action. That is also the points. You have got the job, so this is also the points which matters. Okay, you should ready to learn, and you are the person who are always ready to learn.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
and the last question is what, it's a little bit personal but interesting one. What you will do with your first salary?
Sir, actually, my first salary is yet to come. but as soon as it is received, I will give party to my family
Oh,
and purchase some gifts for them and make them happy because they have been through a lot. They have supported me. They have helped me in every bit of situation.
great, great. And now, what are their response? Means what they are feeling when you got the job.
They are very happy right now because I have completed my education in the year 2016. So it is like 4 to 5 years now, and they are very happy that I am earning now and have a stable job.
Okay, that's great. And I hope you will grow in your career and you get more job with more salary and a super career.